find g prime of x if g of x equals 1 over the cube root of x squared plus x plus 1. Now, it might be a little bit easier to write this as a power. This is x squared plus x plus 1 raised to the negative 1/3 power, right? Negative because it's in the denominator, 1/3 because it is a cubed root. And so we can use the chain rule because this is a composition of functions. All right, when we use the chain rule, we need to take the derivative of the outer function. The derivative of the outer function is u to the negative 1/3 power. So the derivative of that is negative 1/3 times u, which is x squared plus x plus 1, to the, and remember we have to subtract 1 from the exponent. Negative 1/3 minus 1 is negative 4/3 power. And then that is times the derivative of the inside. The derivative of the inside is going to be 2x plus 1. All right. And then you could leave it like this, but let's clean it up a little bit. I don't like having negative fractional exponents in there. I would rather, because it's a negative exponent, move that to the denominator. So if we look at what we have, that x squared plus x plus 1 is in the denominator with a 4/3 power. And then the 2x plus 1 is in the numerator. And we still have that negative 1/3, so we can put the negative out front and the 3 in the denominator. I think this looks good. Looks a little bit nicer because we don't have that negative exponent. There's not really much we can do with this 4/3 power. We could put it as a cube root with a power of 4. You could write it that way. Maybe it looks a little bit nicer. I don't know. I'm fine with it just like this. So this is what we get after we use the chain rule.